Thank you for taking the time to observe and assist with the eye examination. Your technique was generally sound, and you demonstrated a good understanding of the basic procedures. However, there are a few areas where you could improve. Firstly, your patient interaction could be more empathetic. While you were efficient, try to establish a warmer rapport with patients. A friendly demeanor and clear explanations can make the examination less intimidating, especially for nervous patients. Secondly, your refraction skills need refinement. Pay close attention to the patient's responses and adjust the lens power accordingly. Practice will help you develop a keen eye for subtle changes in the patient's vision. Finally, your documentation could be more detailed. Ensure that you record all relevant findings, including the patient's chief complaint, visual acuity measurements, and any abnormalities detected during the examination. Accurate and thorough documentation is essential for effective patient care and legal compliance.
Thank you for the feedback, Dr. Mihira. I'll work on improving my patient interaction and refraction skills. I'll also pay closer attention to documentation details. I appreciate your guidance. I understand, Mihira. It can be quite concerning when your appetite is unpredictable like that. It's also very common to not always notice small changes in weight, especially when you're dealing with other things like feeling unwell. Thank you for sharing that with me. Now, I wanted to talk a little bit about why good nutrition is so important, especially when someone is experiencing breathing difficulties, even if we're still exploring the exact reasons for yours. Think of food as the fuel your body needs to work properly, just like a car needs petrol to run. When you're not eating well, or if your body isn't getting the right kinds of fuel, it can make you feel more tired and weaker. When it comes to breathing, the food we eat can actually have an impact. Big, heavy meals can sometimes make you feel very full, and that fullness can push up against your diaphragm. That's the big muscle that helps you breathe. When that happens, it can make it a little harder to take deep, comfortable breaths. So, one of the things that can often help is to try eating smaller amounts of food more often throughout the day, rather than a few large meals. This can make it easier for your body to digest the food, and can also help you maintain a steadier level of energy throughout the day without that feeling of being overly full and breathless. Does that make sense?